Who are you again?
I'm a nobody. The one you want to talk to is all the way over there. Literally everybody's stopping him and talking to him about his wagon.
Are you jealous right now? He's jealous because everybody's over here talking to you instead of talking to
I know, that's because wagons are freaking cool.
Yeah.
Wagons are where it's at. Realistically, anything better than 15. They're over here with these two-door muscle car things, and I'm rocking a station wagon.